Abby, the social media manager here at SBBlooms.
And I'm Emily, the social media coordinator.
And today we are showing you another how-to with SBBlooms, where we bring trending Pinterest pins to life using our premium silk wedding flower collections.
Yes.
So last week you guys voted on this split circular arch and you wanted us to recreate it with the Cameron collection, so today we're going to do just that.
So the products you'll need to recreate this look are 4 Cameron Garland, 6 Cameron aisle markers, and 2 sets of our Premium Gold Candlesticks and any arch of your choice. We use the circle one today because that's the one in the picture, but you can totally put this on a square arch or anything else.
And any tools?
You will need zip ties.
And that's it. It was really so easy to recreate, so now let's get into it. Alright, and there you have it, a split circular arch featuring our Cameron collection. Of course, you can recreate this with any of our other 15+ on-trend wedding collections.
So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.